how you doing? Welcome to another video by Rea English for Real Life with your friend JJ. In English, we have words that sound the same. These are homophones, and words that sound similar, but it's not the same. Today I want to show you 3 words which sound similar but never the same. Quick, quiet, and quiet. Do you know the difference? Now stay with me. Let's roll out. Okay, so the first one is quit, as in I quit my last job. Quit, carnales, significa renunciar. Okay, no es quitar, es quit. Okay, I quit my last job. Second word, quiet. Quiet. Okay, and this, carnales, in Spanish it means un tanto o muy. Quiet is like another way to say very. This is quite funny, isn't it? Esto es muy divertido, ¿no es así? ¿No te parece? And the last one is quiet. Quiet. Okay, as in be quiet. Hey, be quiet because I'm recording my video. Yeah, take the hell out of here. My daughter is here. So, with example, I said be quiet because, right? You have to be quiet, right? Yes? Okay, bye bye. Well, she didn't say be quiet. Be quiet. Okay, that's my daughter. Okay, so be quiet. So, canales, friends, don't get confused. I mean, quiet and quiet. Okay, different writing. Quiet and quiet. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.